am Jennifer and I would love to take you on a tour of my home for Christmas. On the exterior of my home, I have snowflakes on a light projector on the front of my house in 2 locations, and of course the white lights are always my favorite on the exterior of my home in the Christmas season. Let's go inside and I'll take you on a tour. Before we get to the dining room, I'll give you the tour of the front hallway. This is the entryway of my home, and I always like to decorate the back of my door coming in with something extra special. We see a wonderful little happy snowman greeting us when we come in the front door. Moving along, I have a little table here where we keep all of our gloves and hats, and I have a stocking for myself and for my husband as well. I've decorated this area with a beautiful little church, and I put lights behind it so that it'll light up. And I have a lovely lantern here as well. Now let's get back over to the dining room. I have turned the lights off on the chandelier so that you can see these beautiful crystal looking snowflakes. They're plastic snowflakes that I purchased at Hobby Lobby, and I just used a regular little Christmas tree hook to hang these on the chandelier. Here on the table, I put a lovely centerpiece, and to tie it in, I added a few plastic snowflakes. I also have a cake stand that I just made from a plate and a bowl from the Dollar Tree, and I have a video out that shows just how easy it is to make this beautiful cake stand. It was only $2.50 to put this together. And I also found these beautiful snowflake chargers at the Dollar Tree. You might be starting to see a theme here. On this wall in the dining room, I just made a nice little display that looks like a wintry little scene of frozen snow with beautiful sequins trees and snowflakes and this adorable little deer that my husband and I purchased last year at Christmas time. It was so nostalgic and reminded us of our childhoods. This is another cake stand that I made with a plate and bowl from the Dollar Tree. Over here in this little corner, I have this beautiful garden cage. This was a gift from one of my friends, and I just added a little bit of greenery, a little topper, and some bells and beads, and put in some beautiful ornaments that I just purchased when I was shopping with my daughter. I always have these family photos on my dining room wall. Nothing makes me happier than seeing photos of my family. They're my favorite decoration in the whole entire house, any time of the year. Let's move along to the kitchen. This is one of my favorite places to be. My husband and I both really love cooking. We always spend so much time in here, and we like to keep it simple but warm and cozy. I don't like to have too much on the countertops. We love to do so much cooking, and we don't like to have it too cluttered or have things in our way. But I have a theme going here, once again, snowflakes. And this is another little riser that I made with a small plate and a bowl from the Dollar Tree. And it has a snowflake design. I hung this big snowflake against my backsplash because it was so easy to put just a little tiny command hook underneath, and that way I can have a whole nother area to display things and no one can even see the command hook underneath. I did have so many more things out for my hot chocolate bar. I put one out every year and I have a video with that, but now I've cleaned it up. We've used up so many of the things, and I have just some whipped topping in the refrigerator, and I have a container of hot chocolate here. Again with the snowflakes and a super cute little sign that I got a couple years ago at Hobby Lobby. Up above my patio doors, I just set some big plastic snowflakes that are really glittery, and a couple of smaller ones in the front that I got from Hobby Lobby. It looks really pretty at night when the lights are shining through. And here I have a super little cute angel to count down till Christmas. This is our family tree. This is a little tree we've had for so many years, and we put all of our family ornaments. This is a little ornament that's my favorite from my childhood from 1976. Maybe I shouldn't tell you how old it is, but we have all of our special ornaments of our family and our kids. Little crafts and ornaments that our kids made in from all of our different travels that we've done. My husband's barbecue smoker ornament, he loves it. This tree has the most special handmade and collected ornaments. We even have some ornaments here from our childhood. There's one we just bought not long ago in Mexico. This is an antique toy ornament from my husband's childhood. And his little barbecue grilling ornament. These ornaments are so much fun and mean so much to us. There's a little thumbprint my son made when he was in daycare many, many years ago. And in this area, I just have some really fun little elves. We thought these little elves were so cute, and we picked them up over the last several years just because they were so cute and brought us so much joy when we saw them. So they just sit here by the Christmas tree along with this little Rudolph and Santa and little gingerbreads. And of course, more family pictures, my favorite decorations of all. And on this buffet table, I just have these lovely winter greens. These have little beautiful berries, and my friend Lisa and Sharon helped me pick these out for the winter time. I'll leave these out all winter long. I've also added this beautiful greenery with white lights, and I put this together with just a picture that I already had, some green velvet ribbon and some gold bells. These are just stems and berries that I purchased individually at Hobby Lobby. And I always love to have a beautiful bottle of soap out for Christmas for every holiday. I don't want to forget to mention this chandelier because this was a really easy idea as well. I just used some white thread and tied some snowflakes on this chandelier, and I couldn't help but adding a little piece of mistletoe as well. I always love to have a candle going in the wintertime. It always makes the room smell so good, and it is so cozy. But if you need to have a little way to decorate it, it's super easy. I bought a package of these little green strips at the Dollar Tree. I think there were 10 or 12 pieces in here for only $1.25. And all you have to do is just take these and bend them around anything to add a little piece of festivity for the holidays. Here I added a little piece around this candle as well. And then I just wove a little piece right around the top and added some twine and some little bells and some little decorations to make this lantern extra festive for the Christmas season. Before moving on to the living room, I wanted to show you this tree in my guest room. This tree I put in my guest room so that it can be in the front window of my house facing the street, and I have it lit up with white lights at night. This photo tree is a tree that I put all of my family photos on that I really like. Special family events. I made these gift tags and added them onto the tree. And I keep adding more on every year. I love family photos so much, and they're my favorite decorations, so I love to put them on this tree every year. And of course I topped it off with a beautiful big snowflake. Let's move on to the living room before moving on to my bedroom. Of course I have this snowflake theme going on in here as well. On this table I have my small nativity, and just a candle and some greenery. I love greenery. And then this chair, I have one of my favorite pillows. This pillow is so cute. I always tell my husband it reminds me of things for both of us. It has a couple of really cute hats and boots, and it's all embroidered. And of course, a cozy, fuzzy winter pillow and a big plushy throw blanket. And I have stockings that coordinate on the fireplace, as well as a snowflake garland, of course. And gold bells with a little bit of greenery and more snowflakes. And this is a lantern I put together for a recent collaboration. That video is out as well. Moving over here, I just have some gifts for family and friends and my favorite Christmas deer. This deer we named Tommy Boy. After the movie, you may not have seen it, but you should look it up. If you look up the deer scene from the movie Tommy Boy, you'll really think that it fits this little deer really well. We brought him home in the back seat of our car, and when my husband said, "What should we name him?" I instantly said, "Let's name him Tommy Boy." That is a really funny movie. And here is our Christmas tree in the living room. We have all sorts of rustic ornaments with white lights. And we just purchased this adorable little owl at Cracker Barrel this year. And we even have a Tommy Boy ornament right here, as well as our little dog ornament. And here's our little dog. We named him Teddy. He's so cute. And I made scarves for our dear Tommy and our little dog named Teddy. And of course for this little bunny. My husband surprised me with this little bunny on Easter, and it still remains in the living room. I didn't have the heart to put it away, so I made a Christmas scarf for this little bunny as well. Over here I have this little Christmas village on a wooden tray. I purchased this little house last year when we had our house remodeled and painted white, and this year I found this larger house and this other coordinating house to go along with the one I already had, and this beautiful Christmas tree in gold from Walmart. On my coffee table, I kept it really simple, just like everything else in my house, and I added this adorable little squirrel that I purchased at Cracker Barrel with a beautiful tray that was a gift from my daughter. I added these beautiful gold bells and this wonderful little planter from Kohl's that has a sweater design on the pot. And I put some red berries to coordinate with the beautiful little planter. On my sofa, I kept everything super cozy with just a few coordinating pillows and blankets. I bought 2 of these beautiful cozy throw blankets. They're super soft, and I purchased these at Walmart. They were such a tremendous deal. And I purchased this beautiful soft coordinating pillow as well. I used one of the throw blankets to turn into 2 beautiful coordinating tree skirts to put in my great room. This is one of the tree skirts on our large Christmas tree. And this is a smaller coordinating tree skirt that I made with the other throw blanket, so that way I would have 2 that match in the same room. I love to add a hint of Christmas in every room of my house. These beautiful soft plushy towels are from Marshall's last year. They're super soft, and I just love them. They'll be great all winter long. And I also added a little Christmas tree and a happy little mouse to the bathroom as well. I have one more room to share. This is my bedroom, and I have so many cozy pillows for wintertime and a wonderful soft cozy comforter. These 2 pillows are so furry and so soft, and they just remind me of wintertime. They were a gift from my neighbor Candy. She has such good taste in decorating, and I just love these. They're the perfect accent for winter on my bed. I'm so grateful and thankful for my wonderful neighbors. And then on the nightstands, I've just added another little pine tree with the snowflake design and another sparkly snowflake. These are from Hobby Lobby. It just adds a perfect wintry Christmas touch to my bedroom, and I can leave these here all winter long. Into the dresser, I added a beautiful pink sparkly snowflake. Here is the photo tree at night. As you can see, we have all of the snowflakes on the projector going outside on the front of the house. It looks so beautiful from the bedroom inside. Here is the wreath on the outdoor kitchen with white lights as well. And of course, another snowflake projector on the back of my home. This is the view from the street below behind our house. I am so happy you're here. I hope you really enjoyed my home for the holidays. I would be so happy if you hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Merry Christmas.